Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Python interview hack series. In this video, we will learn another algorithm to sort an array. Problem statement. Given an array of integers, sort the array in ascending order using insertion sort algorithm. Understanding the algorithm. So these are the 6 steps we have to follow in order to sort an array. First, if it is the first element, it is already sorted. Pick up the next element. Third, compare with all the elements in sorted sublist. 4. Shift all the elements in sorted sublist that is greater than the value to be sorted. 5th, insert the value. 6th, repeat until it is sorted. So let's see how insertion sort works. So this is our list 3, 7, 5, 6, 9. So we are not starting with 3 because we are considering the first element as already sorted. So we will start with 7. So we are comparing 7 with 3. So 3 is already less than 7. So this is sorted. So we will not swap here. So next element is 5. So we will compare 5 with 7 and 3. So 5 is less than 7, but 5 is not less than 3. So we will swap the elements 7 and 5. So now we got the sorted sublist that is 3, 5, 7. Next element is 6. So we will compare this 6 with 7, 5 and 3. So here 6 is less than 7 but it is not less than 5 and 3. So we will swap here 7 and 6. So now we got the sorted list that is 3, 5, 7, 6. And we will continue this until we got the completely sorted list that is 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Now let's see how to write insertion sort code using Python. So here we are defining a function named insertion sort and passing array. For step in a range of 1 comma length of array means now we are getting one by one element from first index till the length of array. Okay, so in this step we will get 1, 2, 3, 4. We are omitting the 0th index. Key equals to array of step. So now here in key we are getting the elements from the list that are 5, 6, 7 and 9. J equals to step minus 1. So step is 1 and minus 1. So here we are assigning j equals to 0 because j is less than your current element. So next is compare key with each element on the left of it until an element smaller than it is found. Okay, so we are going to compare the elements until we found the smaller element than the current element. So here is our while loop while j is greater than or equal to 0 and key is less than array of j. So we are going to start where j is greater than or equal to 0 and we are going to stop when array of j is greater than our key. Okay, so here we are going to swap the elements array of j plus 1 equals to array of j. So when we find the smaller element, we are going to swap the elements and we are going to uh, decrease j by 1. So j equals to j minus 1. Next, place key at after the element just smaller than it. So we are going to continue this until the element is smaller than it. So that's why array of j plus 1 equals to key. So now we have got new value for key. So first we did for 7. So after it is swapped, we will our new key element will be 5. So let's run this program. So data equals to 37569. This is our unsorted list. Here we are calling our function insertion sort and passing this data, this list here, printing sorted array in ascending order and print data. So when we run this, here we got the sorted array that is 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. So that's how you use insertion sort algorithm to sort the elements of list. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.